Hey, I'm Patrick,
And I'm Brandon.
and we're here to tell you about distillation columns.
And Ralph's Law.
In the field of engineering, it is vital to be able to separate a mixture. One way we do that, especially with liquid mixtures, is in a flash separator. We take our feed, and for this purpose, we'll assume a binary mixture of two different fluids, and we separate them via their boiling point in our flash separator into a vapor and liquid phase. However, that's not super effective, and only going through that once will not give you a high concentration of the vapor or a high concentration of your liquid that you're desiring. So we stack these flash separators multiple times on top of each other, and it's what we call a distillation column. Here, for this example, we'll use water and ethanol. As water and ethanol enter here, the difference in their boiling point will separate them as the ethanol, more volatile ethanol, rises as a vapor, and the less volatile water falls down as a liquid. This continues several times till we have a distillate of a high percentage of ethanol and our water stream that's a very high percentage water. Distillation columns are extremely important. One, for, in this example, alcohol production in the crude oil fractional distillation field, and also in pharmaceuticals. It's applicable in many scenarios and very important across the board.
But wait, how do you know the percentage of alcohol in the vapor phase and liquid phase?
Great question. We can determine the compositions of the vapor and liquid phases using Ralph's Law, which is the simplest case of vapor-liquid equilibrium. Now, we can start with the fugasities of vapor and liquid, which are expressed by these equations. The fugacity of a liquid is equal to this equation, which includes the Poynting correction and the fugacity coefficient. Now, if we assume a few things, such as the vapor being an ideal gas, the liquid being an ideal solution, and a low pressure of the system, we can eliminate some of these terms to give us this equation, which is Ralph's Law. And we can use that to determine the compositions of both of the phases.
Now you know all about distillation columns.
Thermo is pretty cool.
Thanks for watching.